Hey everyone, if you're planning to jet off to South Korea anytime soon, you're in for a treat. But hold up, there are a few things you'll need to know to make your trip smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive into the top travel tips and some crucial do's and don'ts when visiting South Korea. First off, let's talk about respect. In South Korea, respect is huge. Always bow when greeting someone. It's not just polite, it's expected. And when you receive something, like a business card or a gift, use both hands. It's a sign of respect, and will definitely earn you some points with the locals. Moving on to dining etiquette, there's quite a bit to remember here. Never stick your chopsticks upright in a bowl of rice. It resembles a ritual for the dead and is considered very disrespectful. Also, it's considered good manners to wait for the oldest person at the table to eat first, before you start munching. Trust me, observing these small etiquettes can make your dining experience much more enjoyable. When you're out and about exploring, remember that tipping isn't customary in South Korea. Whether it's restaurants, taxis, or personal services, tipping can actually be seen as rude. The prices you see are usually all-inclusive, so no need to worry about extra charges. Now, let's talk about language. While many South Koreans, especially in the cities, speak English, they really appreciate it when foreigners try to speak some Korean. Even just a simple 안녕하세요, which means hello, or 감사합니다, which means thank you, can go a long way in showing respect and making connections. Lastly, be mindful of the local laws and customs. For instance, it's illegal to smoke in most public places, and there are designated smoking areas you should use. And while South Korea is known for its dynamic nightlife, public intoxication can be frowned upon. So keep it classy. So, there you have it. Some essential tips to help you navigate South Korea like a pro. Respect the culture. Follow the dining etiquettes. Remember the no tipping rule. Try out some Korean phrases and be aware of the local laws. Do all this, and you're all set for an amazing South Korean adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.